Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, we will be answering a probability problem coming from the September 2022 Electrical Engineering Boards for Engineering Mathematics. Pero before that mga Lodi Cakes, shoutout muna sa mga Lodi Cakes natin ng mga future mechanical engineers na magte-take ng board exam, I think this coming Friday and Saturday ata, or basta Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not sure, basta start siya ng Friday. And alam ko magiging mechanical engineers na kayo next week. And focus lang mga Lodi Cakes, just do your best and God will do the rest. So shoutout sa mga Lodi Cakes natin, si John Louis Reyes, si Sherry Nokun, si George Brian G. Durano, at saka si Ren Tolosa. Thank you so much to these people na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin, and I hope you all the best mga idolo. So the problem is, donations were made by alumni for a school to fund a new computer room. Data shows that 80% of the alumni give at least 50 pesos. If the administration contacts 20 alumni, what is the probability that less than 17 of them will give at least 50 pesos? So for this problem, siguro pwede natin siyang basahin twice if ever na lumabas siya sa boards. And we have to analyze anong klase ba ito ng probability. Meron tayong 20 alumni. Ang kailangan niya daw, less than 17 must give at least 50 pesos. It was also given that data shows 80% of the alumni give at least 50 pesos. Okay? So, ibig sabihin pala, the 80% or converting that to decimal, the 0.80 represents the probability of success. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng probability of success, Sir IJ? This is the probability that the alumni will give at least 50 pesos. On the contrary, or in its counterpart, mga idolo, so the probability of failure is just 1 minus the probability of success. 1 minus 0.80, that is 0.20. Sir IJ, bakit po 1 minus? Kasi the total probability is equal to 1 and dapat yung sum ni success tsaka ni failure must be equal to 100%. So ito yung probability ng failure natin. Tapos binigyan tayo ng number of trials, which is the number of the alumni, and we are also given yung expected natin must be less than 17. So, anong formula yung gagamitin natin dito? Okay, that's correct. Idol, that is the binomial probability formula. So, applying the binomial probability formula, So, let us recall that the probability of a certain event in this binomial probability is given by, so the probability is equal to n combination ng r multiplied by the probability of success raised to r multiplied by q raised to n minus r. So ano po yan, Sir IJ? Yung n is the number of trials. Yung r, yung parang expected na kung ilan po ba yung magsasucceed. P, probability of success. Q is the probability of failure. So, ganun lang siya mga Lodi Cakes. Kaya lang, sinabi Sir IJ, less than 17. So, focusing on the given phrase na less than 17 siya, so this means na ang magbibigay ng at least 50 pesos rather, is from 0 to 16. So, gagamit tayo dito ng summation. So, the summation of n, ang n natin ay 20. So, gawin natin, lagyan natin ito sa calculator natin, sa CARS calculator, o kaya sa mga Canon, yung mga calculators na approved naman ng PRC na pwedeng gamitin sa board, that is 20 combination ng x, kasi x yun nasa calcul natin. P is 0.8 raised to x multiplied by 0.2 raised to 20 minus x, from 0 to 16. Sige, try natin evaluate mga Lodi Cakes. So, try nyo rin evaluate on your own. So, mas maganda siguro, try nyo na muna yung problem sa mga sarili nyo para, ma-practice nyo and ma-check nyo yung mga sagot nyo if ever tatama kayo mga Lodi Cakes. I hope na klaro yung formula natin, and kung may tanong man po kayo, wag na wag po kayong mahihiya mga idolo. Sabi nga ng right med, charot lang ko. Okay, so ano magiging sagot? Ayun, approximately, that is 0.589. Sir IJ, meron pa po ba tayong ibang approach dyan? Yes. Pwede natin gamitin dito mga idolo yung probability the complement of the probability. Ano ibig sabihin ng complement, Sir IJ? Can you explain? The complement of the probability is yung kabaligtaran niya po. Kung sinabing less than 17, so on the other hand, so for the complementary probability, so for the complement, so let us recall na ang kabaligtaran ng less than 17 is at least 17. So ang gagawin lang natin guys, dahil complement siya kabaligtaran, that is 1 minus the probability na mag at least 17 siya, which is the summation, mga idolo, 20 combination ng x multiplied by 0.8 raised to x multiplied by 0.2 raised to 20 minus x from 17, x equals 17, mga idolo, hanggang 20. So ito kasi yung kabaligtaran niya, isusubtract mo lang sa 1. So ang same, you can check with your calculators as well. So the answer must be letter A, 0.589. So if ever may questions po kayo mga idolo or clarifications, huwag po kayo mahiya mag-comment sa comment section. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. Next week naman, mga future electrical engineers naman yung magta-take ng boards. And galingan yung mga Lodi Cakes. You still have 1 week. Kalmado na lang, tamang aral na lang mga Lodi Cakes. Huwag na masyado i-pressure yung sarili. Just enjoy. Pray and alam nyo na dapat gagawin nyo yung best nyo. Thank you so much mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.